We have another leaking faucet to fix. This is a Toto Soiree single handle lavatory faucet. So to remove this there is actually a retaining screw, but I did not engage this, so I can just like pull this up. There you go. So this is how it looks. Let's see if we can unscrew this. It's tight. Okay, got it. Let's have some protection here. Let's adjust it. Yeah, there you go. Using the flat side. Oh wow. There. Now I can use my hands. Okay, I hope I did not scratch it. There. Oh, I might have. No, it's not. It's dirt. Okay. This is how it looks. So it goes in here. I'm gonna put it like that so I know the order. And oh, okay. This is the one I need to order. And this is what it looks like on the inside. See, pointer, pencil. That's the hot one. The hot water comes out there, and I would assume this is the cold water supply. This one, let's see, can this be removed? No. So in here, sorry, this is the regulator. So this is the water adjustment. This is the on, this is the off. You'll see that, reverse like that. This is the off position. This is the on. You see that? Something comes up or comes out here. Look. Oop. There you see. There you don't see it. There you see it. Now it's gone. I think we have to replace this entire thing. I know the parts. Yeah, I had this for a long years now. 2010, around 2010, I had it installed by a plumber. Now I'm fixing it. The plumber. Here's the diagram of the faucet. I suspect the ceramic cartridge, the cartridge adapter, and the flow regulator. I might need to replace one or a combination of them. So this is the flow regulator, and this is the ceramic cartridge. It comes as one unit, but I'm just curious if I open this, what's wrong inside. But since this is the flow regulator, and as you can see, there's a rubber here. That might be the leaking portion. But usually, let's see if we can remove this, because this is the, no, we can't. I'm turning on the cold water supply. Oh. That's what happens. You've seen where the water comes out. Well, I know that already. What I'm trying to find out is if it's, well, anyway, I can feel some hole here and another hole here. So the cold and the hot combines here. I suspect that the problem is in this cartridge, because this is the one that controls the on and off. So it doesn't seal completely when it's closed. This is open and this is closed. I will have to replace the entire cartridge. See, let's say we reverse it. And if that is reversed, no, there's only one shape. It's only this way. That's the shape. If we do it like that, oh, okay. Now, yes, you can, of course. Let's clean this. Before putting this back, I will clean this. So now I cleaned it a little bit, brushed it. This is just before buying any parts. See, this is loose already. Do you think that's the reason? It should be tight. Well, now I reverse this and I'm gonna put it this way. Okay. And let's see what happens. You see those nuts there? It has to fit in to this, that, and this. So I set this straight so that I have the orientation. This is like this, the handle. Before it was like this or that. No. See, I centered it so that it will also be centered here. Let's do it again. So if I just drop it like that, it should be good. And it is good. Fits perfectly. This first. And there. I think we're good. No scratch. Good. Trying to scratch the finish. Those are the calcium deposits because we have a hard water. This I just do by hand. This is just to cover the non-smooth retainer. And this one, I don't see, that's the nut, and there's the screw here, as you can see there. And I just, this is heavy enough, so I just put it, find it, there you go. This is on, this is off, this is on, and then I can go it like that. Oh, now it's not, now I have to really, okay, Let's turn on. Cold water is good. That's the cold water. It is still leaking. Let me turn off. Hot water is on. It's leaking. Oh, what is something? Ah, nothing on cold. On hot. Oh, none anymore. It stops flowing again, so I open it and I see some deposits build up here from the dirt. The metal seems sharp. I just have some. Look at it. I did not even feel it. Then I see drops of blood. Now able to remove the calcium deposits, and you see all those. Yeah, those are calcium. Turning on the hot water supply, and then turn on. That hot water supply has a lot of deposits. See, it stops again. So I'm just removing the excess water so we can examine closer. Let's get in closer. Now, the deposits keeps on falling into that regulator, and I'm having a hard time. Maybe from a few more on and off, I will be able to remove all the deposits. So I'm just gonna let it flow, because once I turn on the hot water, then it clogs the water flow regulator. Let's see, let's turn it on. Now I turn on the hot. Let it run before I switch to hot. Still cold. Okay. Now it's balanced. This is a low flow faucet, so it's some kind of an energy saving faucet, and that's all we need. And the hot. Now it's getting hotter, warmer. I changed the angle of my camera so it's not hard to. There you go. There. Let's see what's in here. It's this maybe. We will reverse this again. We'll put this way. Okay. Let me clean this. But it is, there's some kind of grease use here. There. Now I said I'm gonna reverse this, and I already did. And see, it was like this before. So now I'm gonna do it like this. Doesn't make a difference, but who knows. Again, let me clean this. I'm just gonna wipe this. See all the trick of the trades I'm trying to do before buying a replacement, because the replacement is gonna take some time. Okay, that's basically it. Yeah, I got boo-boo. So now it's gonna be like that. We have the slot here. Then we're just gonna press with all our might. There you go. I'm not really positive on this one. I think the whole thing has to be replaced. Of course. This is the hot. And this is the cold. Yeah, it's still leaking. Okay, it's time to order the ceramic cartridge. The replacement cartridge finally arrived. This is not the original Toto, because the original Toto I ordered it, but it's back ordered and it's taking for 2 months now. Nothing arrived, so let's see if this is the same measurement as the original one. So this is the original Toto. It's CHP 4505. Looks similar, same size. And let's see now. It has this notch, so let's put it now. Okay, it fits. Let's put it back. I'm gonna tighten this a little bit. I think it's tight enough. You see that there's no more leak. And let's see. Oh wow. And then hot. Cold. This is not being sold anymore at Toto. Let's see if it's gonna leak. Oh voila! No more leak. So guys, you don't have to go with the Toto brand. If this is used by other faucets similar to structure of this one, this is the ceramic cartridge that controls the flow of water. There's the hot and cold, and it mixes here. So no more dependence on Toto. This is the product, OO Sun. Yeah. Okay guys, problem solved. No more leaking.